I'ma still be like this. Comfort zone.
We cook,
season, we cook it, we eat it. Season, we cook it, we eat it.
A
Hey,
drizzle, a pop. A drizzle, a pop. A drizzle, a drizzle, a drizzle, a pop.
Hey guys, welcome back to Jill's Comfort Zone. Today we are making some thick, spicy, tangy barbecue sauce. Yes, homemade. So welcome back to the channel. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. If you're new here, welcome and enjoy this video. So let's get started and see how this made. And in advance, I have to apologize, guys. I recorded in time lapse and didn't know how to fix it. But you'll get the gist of all the ingredients and everything coming to you. Stay tuned. All right, guys, we are back. So as you can see, I used the rest of my ketchup. Yes, baby. Okay, and I must have Heinz. All right. So we are going to use 1 cup of ketchup. We are going to use Tabasco sauce. Listen, to your liking, guys, with the Tabasco sauce. I'm going to use 1 tablespoon or probably a little more. And you're going to use 2 tablespoons of the cider vinegar. Okay. And we're going to use the W sauce. So we are going to use probably, listen, just eyeball the W sauce, guys. It's not such a big deal, but you don't want to overpower it. So I'll say probably a teaspoon, okay? We're going to use a bay leaf. That is one of our dry ingredients. All the rest of our dry ingredients, excuse me, I'm tongue-tied, guys, are in the bowl here. We have some smoked paprika, some red crushed pepper flakes. We have some chili powder, garlic powder, onion powder. We have 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. We have some fresh oregano. We have some peppercorn medley. And we have some cayenne pepper. I used about 1/4 of a teaspoon of each of the seasoning. And we also have kosher salt there. Okay, so we're going to use 1/2 teaspoon of oregano. I probably got more than 1/2 teaspoon there, but it's all good. All right, so also what's missing, I forgot the yellow mustard to put up here. So we're going to use about 1 tablespoon of yellow mustard, and we're going to add all of the ingredients in a small saucepan and cook on low medium heat. Okay, we're going to cook on medium-low heat, okay? So let's get started on this delicious sauce, and I'll be right back. Here I'm just adding all the ingredients in a small saucepan. Here you're going to cook over medium-low heat. You're going to keep stirring occasionally, bring to a simmer, and let it cook for 30 minutes. Hey guys, I wanted to also come back. Make sure you are constantly stirring occasionally, guys. I'm going to turn this heat down a little bit more because we need these flavors. We need these flavors infused. So please, don't burn your barbecue sauce, baby. Don't burn it. So just stir occasionally. So this is not a walk away type deal. Pay attention. I like a nice thick, tangy, spicy barbecue sauce, and that is what I am giving today. Bring those flavors, okay, into your kitchen so that your family can enjoy and love. Guys, look at that beautiful result of that barbecue sauce. Yes, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you guys for coming once again. Please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Subscribe to the channel, guys. All I want to do is love on you while you love on me. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. And we're putting it on the chicken I mentioned that I was cooking earlier, that I made this barbecue sauce for, guys. Yes, look at that thickness. Thick, delicious. Oh my goodness. The tangy, just the right amount of spices, not too hot. If you don't want a spicy sauce, don't use the cayenne pepper, you know, but I like spice. So guys, thanks. I'm gonna finish up this and wait until you see this delicious baked barbecue chicken recipe coming up next. So thank you guys. I love you. Don't forget, comment down below. Let me know if you have any questions and what you think about the video and what else you would like to see me cook next on Jill's Comfort Zone. Alright guys, I love you. Stay blessed and peace out. And don't forget, share me out to your family and friends, guys. Alright, until next time. Later.